Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we just got the July drone drop, so let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Right, so let's check out all of these items one by one. So first things first, we have this DIY FPV Racing Edition strap. Two of them actually, so one in red and one in black. So these might be about $2 each, maybe $4. And we have these Savox. I have a set of 4 motors, just in time because I was planning to buy some new motors for for fixing up my 5-inch quad. And what we have here are we have the Savox shoe motors, and these are the 2306 2500 kV motors. These are 2306 2500 kV motors, and these are about $10 each. So you have 4, so that's going to be around $40. We have 2 sets, so $44. So we have this nice black and yellow tool case. This costs about $10. So running total is around $54 now. We have this Team Black Sheep 9 pieces soft mount silicone kit. I believe these are for soft mounting your motors, and this is about $4.95. What else do we have? We have another set of 3 props, and these are HQ durable 5x4.8x3 V1S props, and these are cheap, $3.60 each. So all in all, that's about over $10. And we have a lot of stickers once again. So all in all, this was a pretty good package. It's over $65 worth of products, and so that is going to be it for today. If you are interested in getting your own drone drop, it's a subscription service where you buy a box for $40 plus shipping, and you get this box with around more than $60, sometimes more than $70 worth of products. Last month I got the Omnibus V4, or I think that was the V5, Omnibus F4 V5 in the last month's drone drop. So that was really good. Now I have my motors. So yeah, that is going to be it for today. So if you like this video, click on the like and make sure to hit the subscribe, so you know when the next drone drop drops, then at least you can see what's inside. It's going to be a little bit late than the others who do these unboxing, because obviously it takes a lot more time for these drone drops to arrive in the Philippines. But yeah, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that like, and as always, keep building and keep flying.